Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you could tell, I'm doing my first plan with me, and I've actually started this bullet journal at the beginning of the year, but I've kind of let it go, as you could tell. So I thought I would pick it up for the new year and show you what I've done for January. So I split my planner by quarter, and as you can tell, this page is kind of plain, but I'll decorate it sometime later, I'm sure. And here's my January spread. As you could tell, I was too lazy to use a ruler, so all my boxes are crooked, and I try to keep the colors kind of cohesive, but I don't think they really match. Honestly, I don't really like this page, but I just stuck with it anyways. And here's a little doodle I did. So for the first week, I did it a whole week later, so it's kind of plain and rushed. But I did keep the blues from the beginning of the page, and I thought that would be the theme. As you could tell, in week 2, I kept the same dot grid type of thing, but changed it to a light blue, and I tried to match it with the same washi tape. And a tip you'll be seeing a lot is me using washi tape to cover up all the places I messed up. So yeah, I try to keep the layouts relatively similar so they would match together since they are on the same pages, but I don't think I did a good job, but it's still cute, you know, on its own, kind of. So on the next weeks, I did the same thing where I try to match them and use blues and the craft paper that you saw in the January spread. So I put a little quote there, and the theme of this video is that I don't like using rulers or mapping things out because you can tell Tuesday's extra big for no reason. And yeah, just a simple layout. For the next one, I wanted to try, you know, the more messier layouts, and I don't know how anyone makes this look good and organized like they do on those nice Instagrams, but I tried my best, and as you can tell, I didn't really fill it out yet. So that is how I mapped out my weeks for January. As you could tell, I'm super beginner and everything's kind of a mess, but I am trying, and hopefully once I make more of these videos, it'll look a lot nicer and more neat. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and that you're starting out like me so you're not judging me too hard. And hopefully I'll get my February one up way earlier than this. Yeah, have a good day, guys.